drones save lives. Pelixar a-SAR is a drone system for automatic search and rescue on water and beyond. It enables rapid emergency response to life-threatening events. The drone system searches a designated area in automatic mission mode. If the system detects a potentially dangerous situation, it requests operator verification. After positive verification of the threat, direct assistance is rendered. The drone drops a rescue buoy or other rescue equipment and can even tow a person to safety. Pelixar a-SAR. Tomorrow starts today.